ज़रूर किसी चीज़ में तो ट्राई किया होगा एंड शायद आप फेल भी हो गए हो उस चीज़ में, लेकिन आप फिर से स्टार्ट नहीं करना चाहते हो। बिकॉज द सेम थिंग हैपन टू वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड. He was working in Amazon and he worked for maybe I think 2 years or something like that. He lost all of his money and he was scared again to start because he was thinking, what if I fail again? And the message that I really want to convey over here, if you are scared to start again, I think you should start. क्योंकि this time you will start from the experience. आपने फेलियर्स को देखा है and you have analyzed all the mistakes and you have learned from those mistakes. Now you have a better idea that how to do that thing that you were doing before. So don't think you would fail again. Even if you fail, that's okay. अगर आप बार बार फेल होते हो, that's okay. हर टाइम आपको सीखना है because eventually your failure will lead you to success. आपने उस फेलियर से सीखना है एंड आपको आगे बढ़ना है. एंड इट हैपन्स टू मैनी पीपल. दे टेक one skill and when they learned it they spent most of their time in that skill and eventually they leave it if they fail. So you have spent most of your time in that skill, now you're leaving it. Why? You should start over again because as I said you're starting this time from the experience and जब आपके पास experience होता है मोस्टली आप उस चीज़ में सक्सेसफुल होते हो, मोस्टली आप उस चीज़ को अचीव करते हो. एंड अगर आप अगेन फेल होते हो, इट्स ओके टू फेल बट यू शुड नॉट गिव अप. देयर आर सम सिचुएशंस वेयर यू शुड गिव अप, जहाँ पर आपको अपना फ्यूचर नज़र नहीं आता, जहाँ पर आप अच्छा फील नहीं करते हो. एट दैट टाइम यू शुड क्विट बट नॉट उस वक्त जहाँ पर आपको लगता है कि आप उस चीज़ को हासिल करना चाहते हो but you are quitting because of the hard time. You are quitting because you are not making it. So do not underestimate the tremendous potential that you have inside in you, because nobody is born with God gifted abilities. Everyone has the ability. Whoever your hero is, that must have started with zero. So what you need to have, you have to acquire knowledge about that particular thing that you want to achieve. You have to have the information that how that thing works, and when you have that you will mostly succeed in achieving that. And that is pretty much about it. Everything takes time. You have to give time to it. You can't just learn a skill or you can't just start on something and expect great results. At least you should give some time to it, maybe 6 months, maybe a year, depends on the idea that you have, depends on the thing that you have in your mind. As I shared the story, one of my friend started on Amazon. When he lost his money, he was too scared to start over. And I think he made a mistake. He should have started again because he has the idea that how things work now. He has the better idea that how to deal with the people there, with the clients, and how to have orders. So he has all those ideas. I know he lost his money. That's not good. But you should try again. And because this time you have the experience. And same चीज़ आप लोगों से भी कहूँगा कि again start करो. And don't be afraid कि अगर फेल हो गया अगेन, अगर ये हुआ वो हुआ, ये सब क्वेश्चन जो आपके माइंड में आ रहे हैं ये जस्ट आपको रोकने के लिए दे रहे हैं, आपके रास्ते में रुकावट हैं. जब आप स्टार्ट करोगे, जब आप कुछ सक्सेस देखोगे अपने बिजनेस में, वट एवर यू आर लर्निंग, तब आपको ये आइडिया होगा कि आपने एक बहुत ही अच्छा डिसीजन लिया है. So that was all about today, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till the time, take care. Goodbye.